This is the ESP32 cam module. This board has a 2-megapixel camera with it. It uses the ESP32 microcontroller, which also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. In this video, we are going to see what are the main features of it and how to use the microcontroller with Arduino IDE. So let's get started. First, we are going to see the pinout diagram of it. So totally, it has 10 GPIO pins, 7 of them can be used for analog input, and all of them can be used for PWM output. It also has touch pins and communications like UART, I2C, and SPI. And it works at 3.3 volt. Using 5 volt can burn it, like I burned one. It has a very big memory and fast speed. We learned about all the pins, now move on to next. It has a 2-megapixel inbuilt camera and a SD card slot in it. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It also have a bright LED in front of the board. So this is pretty much all about it. Now I am showing you how to use it with Arduino IDE. Now go to Files, then Preferences. Then paste the board manager URL of description. Then install it. Now if you select the board as CAME AI Thinker and port, then you will be able to use the board in Arduino IDE. To see the live footage, go to Files, then Examples, then ESP32, then Camera, then Camera Web Server. Then, change the SSID and password with your own Wi-Fi network. Then follow what I do. Then upload the code. Then follow what I do. Then paste the IP address of the serial monitor. Then follow me. Here you can see my very neat and clean desk. Now I want to run my own code. After changing the SSID and password, upload the code of description. Now you will be able to see the camera with an easy interface. It also has a LED control feature. So, that's it for this video. If you want an ESP32 cam rover, then comment down below. And also hit the subscribe button